Here he is, Marvel Select Thanos. Let's take a look at this box. Nice picture of Thanos on the side of the box, and when we look to the back of the box, we have this nice little paragraph about Thanos. Here he is with Mistress Death. Ooh, Dr. Doom. I gotta get this Dr. Doom eventually with the chair and the black hat. I'll probably pass, and we have the Infinity Gauntlet on the back. Love this box. I always rip open these boxes. And then here's a picture of the box. We have Thanos, some pictures from the comic, Mephisto, Adam Warlock, some cool scenes. Here's stuff on the inside of the box, little advertisement for more figures. You can zoom in if you want. Here he is up close, Thanos, the Mad Titan. I got him to stand, he's pretty thick. And then when you look at him, his thighs rotate and swivel, his knees bend. But like I said, he's top heavy, he's a thick boy. His shoulders swivel, his arms bend up and down, and his gauntlets swivel as well. I love the sound of the plastic. And here's a close-up of the extra hand, him with the Infinity Gauntlet. Look at that, some nice detail. I like all the wrinkles. I like the shiny gold color. Here's that other fist that comes with Thanos in the box. And of course, now we have the Mistress Death accessory. And she comes with this awesome humanoid face. And honestly, she looks a lot cooler with it off. Cooler. Thank you guys. If you want to see more, like the video, leave a comment. What do you want to see? And if you really want to support the channel, check out some of these cool paintings, stickers, hats, everything and more. Thank you guys.